In this video, I'll show you how to add photo in Canva Resume 2025. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, in this video, I'm making this video for educational purpose only, right? So I want to just share my thoughts on what you should know. So Canva, if you want to use Canva, I would strongly advise you get the pro version of Canva, right? So whatever I'm showing you guys in this video is just for educational purpose only. So you guys know that Canva has a lot of resume templates, right? So if you have seen the one that is suitable for you, the one that is good, you can use it for your resume, right? For anything you want to do, you can add your contacts, your educational background, your skills, like everything you need to know, right? Look at this resume, right? So I want to just show you guys something. If for any reasons you love to add your photo in the resume, what you're going to do right now, you can see this option, right? Click on it. Once you click on it, click on this, right? Okay, yeah, so what you need to do, sorry, you need to click on this upload, right? From this upload, you're gonna click on this upload files, right? Click on these pictures. I wanna use this file, right? So I'm gonna wait for it to load up. Give it very few seconds. So I think, yeah, it's done. So when I'm gonna just drag it, I'll place it here. So you can see right, everything is looking really good right now. So if for any reasons you love to add photo in your Canva resume, this an easy way, like this, a cool way you can do that, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate. And I want to say one thing one more time. I would suggest you all to try the pro version of Canva, right? It's really amazing. So thank you guys for watching through the video. I hope you guys found this educational video helpful. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.